Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this beautiful 2021 Audi Q7 Premium Plus that we have for sale. One fantastic mid-size luxury crossover with third row seating. If you're looking to pamper yourself and your family, the Q7 is a great choice. 2021 is a great year for the Q7 because it got a pretty heavy revision in 2020. This is a nicely equipped Premium Plus model. It features a 335 horsepower turbocharged V6. This thing is a lot of fun to drive, but it's also very practical and spacious for a growing family. And you know, if you need to go do a big Costco trip, you can fold down the seats, turn this thing into like a little mini cargo van, and it is fantastic for all sorts of things. We have the original build sheet on this one. It wasn't cheap by any means, $72,815 when it was brand new. The Premium Plus package was a $3,000 upgrade, bundling in lots of great features. Then this lovely shade of glacier white metallic was a $595 premium color. Then it has the executive package, that was $3,800, bundling in more additional features. And then we have the comfort adaptive air suspension, $2,500, front and rear door Audi beam. So basically it beams like the Audi logo onto the ground when you open the door, creates a cool ambient effect at nighttime. Interior protection package and privacy trunk cover. And of course we have a complimentary copy of this build sheet if you want to peruse it yourself. Really nice color combination on white and on gray. It's a clean Carfax vehicle. Nice big panoramic sunroof to allow lots of natural light inside. It opens. We're actually having some beautiful weather today. Nice day to have the sunroof open. And if it does get too bright out, which maybe might happen today, I'm in a shady spot right now, but if it gets too bright out, you have a power sunshade to help dim things down. We have a heated and ventilated front seats, nice touch screens with haptic feedback for both the top and bottom display, navigation, rear parking camera. Then you can also do this really cool 3D view. Really cool. Very nice for low speed maneuvering, for sure. Beautiful interior trim, nice leather up steering wheel. You have a completely digital gauge cluster that's configurable. You can kind of pick and choose the different information that shows up. Pretty nice. We have a memory seats for the driver. The Q7 has a nice stately appearance. It's got that understated German styling. Follows that same design theme we see throughout the Audi product line. Not a bad thing. They make some really nice looking cars and crossover SUVs. There's that fantastic butter smooth V6, 335 horsepower. This thing is really quick, really fun to drive. Even though it's a mid-size crossover, it delivers sporty like performance. You know, obviously it's not going to, perform like an Audi S4 sports sedan. It is a larger mid-size three-row crossover, but you'll be really impressed by how fun this thing is to drive and how the weight seems to disappear once you get this thing moving. Lots of space in the second row. We have rear climate control, second row outbound heated seats, integrated sunshades, good for the youngsters. We have third row seating back there, and there's a cargo area protector as well, or cargo area cover I should say. Power rear liftgate. Of course, the second and third row seats fold fairly flat. You have these buttons right here to control the seats, to recline them and stuff. And with the air suspension, you have this button right here where you can manually lower the height of the vehicle. Maybe if you want to put some cargo inside the vehicle, you can lower it as low as possible just to make it easier for you to get the groceries or sizable objects inside and outside. It's a pretty cool feature that you get with the air suspension. We have some great promotions going on right now. The back end's kind of sagging a little bit because I put the air suspension down, but I'm sure it will correct itself once it gets moving again. We have some great promotions right now, complimentary delivery to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. We can put this in our car hauler, we can tow it to you. So over a mobile delivery service, this beautiful Q7 can be all yours without leaving your neighborhood or your driveway. Thanks so much for watching and hope to see you soon.